Dr. Indu Taneja, working as senior consultant in Fortis Escorts Hospital, Faridabad. My special interests are in high-risk obstetrics and laparoscopic surgery. Today I will talk about contraception. Little about the normal menstrual cycle. A normal cycle is of approximately 28 days. So the ovulation means egg formation that occurs in the middle of the cycle. That is approximately around 14 days. But this day is not fixed. It can be 1 or 2 days prior and 1 or 2 days later. So let's say if it happens on 14th day, 4 or 5 days before the egg formation and 4 or 5 days after the egg formation is the period which is the danger zone. That means the pregnancy can happen in this period if you have intercourse during this period. So this is the danger zone. So if one happens to have the relation in this period, one can use emergency contraception, which is, you all must be aware of pill 72 or unwanted pill, which is to be taken 72 hours within this period. The pregnancy is to be avoided. Next will be other contraception like the barrier method, which is normally condom. This is not 100% foolproof method. This has the maximum failure rate approximately 35%. This is mainly effective in the period when the patient is breastfeeding. At this period, this is the common effective method. Then there are other methods. You must have heard about the pills and the copper T. The pills are the second commonest method, in which every day one has to take a pill for 21 days. The main drawback of the pill is you have to remember, you have to take it on a fixed time and fixed day. You should not miss even a single dose. If one misses a dose, you can have breakthrough bleeding and the failure also happens. So this is the main drawback of the pills, but otherwise the safety profile is very good. Other method is the IUCD, that is copper T, which is inserted inside the uterus. This is again has the same efficacy as the pills, but the advantage over the pills is you are not supposed to remember this. This is once inserted, can be kept it and can be used for 3 years to 5 years. Government has also provided the intrauterine device, which is effective for 5 years. It is as effective as the contraceptive pills. But little drawback of this is sometimes this can cause irregular bleeding or the heavy bleeding during the periods, which can be taken care with giving some kind of medications. If you need any further clarification or any kind of clarification or consultation, you can consult me on Librate.